Hello! So today I want to do Good Night, Irene. And this song requires us to do a new strumming pattern, which is pluck, down, up, down. And when I say pluck, I mean you're plucking the C string with your index finger, you bring it up, and then comes the down, up, down. Nice. So let's just try that on G. We'll run that through a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Pluck, down, up, down, 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 pluck. Nice. A little warm up, right? Never hurts. So one of those patterns is one of the measures. So it's kind of beautiful how that works out, that if it's 2 measures of G like it is in the song right now, it'll be 2 patterns of the pluck, down, up, down, pluck, down, up, down. Then you move on to the G7. So let's try the song together. I'll try and call out some hints and everything to make it a little easier. 1, 2, 3. G, G, D7, 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 G, 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 G7, C, C, D7, D7, G, G. So that's the form. That's the way it is through the entire song. So if we get this pattern down, we're golden. Let's try it again, maybe even a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3. G, G, D7, 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 D7 to G, 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 G7, C, C, D7, D7, G, G to the top. 1, 2, 3. G, D7, 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 G, 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 G7, C, C, D7, D7, G, G. So here's how it sounds with the lyrics, right? 1, 2, 3. Good night, Irene. Irene, good night. Night, Irene, good night, Irene. I'll see you in my dreams. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I live in the country. Sometimes I live in town. Sometimes I get that great notion to jump into the river and drown. Let's do it one more time from the top. 1, 2, 3. Good night, Irene. Irene, good night. Good night, Irene. Good night, Irene. I'll see you in my dreams. Hey, that's the stuff. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope this helps a little bit. Peace out.